Actually, let me ask him. Let's see, we're up 28,000%. Bam! Let me take a screenshot for you. Pop it right here. 28,000%. Come on now. Should get laser in here. We might have to sell some soon. Sorry, this keyboard's super loud. I know everybody in Discord always complains about the clack. It is a little obnoxious. Mike Stripesky said it will hold 67 to 70s tomorrow afternoon, then 80s. It could, man, but you got to always remember the whole idea of buy the rumor, sell the news. There's a reason that people say that. We talked about it last time we were live here. That some people say that. Also say, I guess these little adages, if you want to call them that. That by the time your shoe shiner tells you about a stock, it's time to get out. Meaning that, like, basically by the time the regular people find out about something's value, the people that got in earlier, the early adopters, most of the time those people have a lot of money, that the early adopters will typically get in first, and then they will sell to all the people that buy in later. Doge is right now not an example of that because we are at the highs, guys. And we're watching and tracking here, and we got about 28,000% of the table on this one. We just bought this as a lotto, like, who gives a shit? Let's see what happens at 0.002475. This is when we alerted it in Discord. If you're not in the Discord, you should be. We just added a crypto alerts channel. We're actually interviewing a crypto analyst right now that's been trading crypto for like 7 years. She is absolutely awesome from what I've seen so far. We're going to give it a week, watch the plays, just make sure, quality control and all. But so far, everything looks awesome. And I'll be excited to make that announcement hopefully by next week and have some consistent crypto plays daily, both day trades, swings, and otherwise. So, yeah. Beautiful. You guys can hear me. Yeah, someone just said no sound, but then Paul said, hey, sounds amazing. Tanya. Yeah, it is a woman, which is honestly even cooler to me, just because this is a typically male-dominated industry. I love seeing the women on the come up. It's beautiful. I mean, we just look for smart people, honestly, and she's very intelligent, very good at what she does. So I'm very excited about that, and we're going to keep an eye on those alerts, as we always do with anyone new. Yeah, it's looking beautiful here. New high. You always love a new high because that tells you new high, and we had stable support here at 51 cents, which is pretty good. That was another buying opportunity I wish I would have taken advantage of, but I did not. This is the, I guess, rough trend line that I've been keeping an eye on here. We just want to look at where these lows were bought up, and most importantly, you always track support. Remember, buy the lows on the red sell candles, but hourly chart's pretty trustworthy. Remember, like, the bigger picture that you get, the more accurate what you're looking at is, and you can draw a more intelligent conclusion. Sorry about the light. My office at home kind of sucks with the windows right there, so I just get blasted with the sun all the time. Die Jimmy. Of course you could hear that keyboard. Come on, man. Tanya asks, do you do all of your crypto trading on Robinhood? No. I do have some crypto on Robinhood, but it was a matter of convenience. Really, we had money there, so we used it. But I mostly use Coinbase Pro. It's just the most, like, I get it, the fees, they suck, but it's the most trustworthy platform that I've found. I'm actually really excited because all of the crypto plays that we've alerted so far, we're actually batting 100% on the crypto alerts, if you guys have noticed. Every single one has hit so far that we've put in there since we made the new channel, which is very exciting for me. And I think that this is going to be a continually growing field of, not field, I guess, but niche to trade in. Which is why, again, we're bringing on a new crypto analyst. We're doing more crypto. This is where the money is, guys. We have to remember that, like, we trade where the money is. If the money's not there, then, You gotta join the group, my friend. That's what we do, is we teach, baby boy. We teach. I can't tag you. I think you left. Yeah, Mike, you're absolutely right. You do have to adjust, man. We have to go where the money is, and that's like like what we're responsible to you guys. Like what in my opinion, like what my responsibility is to find ways for you guys to make money. If I'm not doing that, then I'm not doing my job, honestly. And Lee wouldn't be doing his job. James would be doing his job. But I don't think that we're gonna see really any dips here. I really don't. I think that Doge is going to hold up here. We might see a revisit. Like, so if all goes well, right? So like that's what everybody wants here. Is you want to see Doge go to $1 million? I get it. Yeah, that would be awesome. It started as a joke, and it's not anymore. It's something that has forced us to take it seriously. Couple things to watch out for, especially with Doge, is that $1 price mark, right? Because that is a mental obstacle for most people. Shit isn't real until it's over $1. We have to take it. Basically, it forces the market to take it seriously once it's over $1. Someone asked, join where? I'm not on. My bad. Let me pop on the Facebook stream. Give this man a link real quick. Let me give this man a link real quick. You gotta give me a second. Get this man a link. Come on. Get it? Man. Yeah, that would be awesome. I hate listening to myself. It's one of the worst things on earth. Let me see if Sean's got that discount code available for you too, my man. We did a huge one yesterday. I think we did 35, 40% off maybe. And by the way, to anybody that is in now, you guys, especially to our Discord members that have been with us a while, if you are in Discord now, you will get free access to the advanced trading course. If you stay, obviously. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. You get what I mean. Hey, you do the math, right? So, basically, yep, Laser's going to make me a discount code. So, Q, give it a second before you sign up, buddy. We're going to get you a nice little discount boy for you. Get your discount. Get you on in there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what we got to do. Doge pushing to new highs. Did anybody else see the Elon tweet today? That was kind of interesting. They said, like, hey, crypto's cool, just be careful. Did anybody else see that? Wasn't that kind of interesting? Wasn't that weird? Did anybody see that? Nope, you didn't see that? Well, I guess there's a delay. But once you get to this point, did anybody see that tweet? I don't remember exactly what he said, but basically, hey, crypto's great, but just be careful. I thought that was kind of ominous, and I think it's because he knows that this is going to sell off. Look at anything that goes in any event. So basically, this is a question geared to like anyone that's here. First of all, how long you guys been trading? If you wouldn't mind, hit the comments. How long you been trading? Just give me the time, just so I know kind of who's the audience, who's watching here. Nadeem asks, can you please tell me, is there any chance Doge will get to $1 tomorrow? Just your realistic, €1, which is more than $1. Absolutely not. I do not think it'll get. It could. It could. What's the conversion rate? A euro's like $1.20 something US. 1.5 years. I've been trading crypto since 2018. Tanya, 1 year. Fame Boys in October. There you go, Mike. Mohan, 3 years. About 2 years trading. Someone else said. Okay, you guys. So most people here have actually been trading a little while. That's good. Beautiful. So one thing that I'm really cautious of with this is the Saturday Night Live thing. I mean, that's scary. I don't like that as an event because, this is shit it's trading on it's trading on hype and news, right? So like we have to take it seriously now because of the price, right? And because of the social interest. That's something that I think that most people don't really take into consideration is like if we look at markets in the way they are right now, social interest has been pushing stocks, it's been pushing crypto, it's been pushing everything. Social interest is the market right now. And you absolutely cannot do this without taking that into consideration. And I can't stand it when people are still trading like based solely off fundamentals. I invest on fundamentals. I trade on anything that's available. What it's really about is like, does it make me money? If it doesn't make me money, then I don't care about it. I'm not going to pay attention to it. Why would I pay attention to something that's not going to make me money when I'm trying to trade? So again, investing, fundamentals, very important. When it's an investment, this is trading. To me, Doge hasn't warranted investment yet. Cardano, investment. Bitcoin, investment. Ethereum, investment. Even Litecoin we added the other day, investment. Doge is not an investment yet. Okay? Now, if you got in at like a fraction of a cent, sure, hold on to some. You might become a millionaire. That's awesome. People that think about the guy that gave, what did he like sell? He bought a pizza with fucking Bitcoin. That sucks, man. He basically bought like probably a $500,000 pizza. And I get that. You don't want to miss that. So don't. So buy a little bit. Hold a little bit. But at the end of the day, guys, this is not an investable asset. It doesn't have any utility. What does Doge do? Can anyone answer me? No, they can't, because it doesn't have any utility. Do I like it? Yes. Do I like the concept? That's my favorite part. Do others good every day or whatever it is. Like just basically about doing good, being kind, treating people right. That's good shit. I like that. I like that idea. I like the premise behind it. I love the hype behind it. I like the fact that most people are trading it. It has a ton of liquidity. It has a ton of volume. It's a fantastic thing to trade. Why? He paid $612 million for 2 pizzas? Is that a joke? That was the amount? Oh my God. That sucks, man. I feel bad for that guy. That's really rough. Rest in peace. If that guy's on here, rest in peace, buddy. $600 million pizza. That is insane. We got the discount codes. Lasers, it's the guy's 16, go be with your wife, guy. It's his 16-year anniversary and he's making me discount codes. That's how much we love you. Alright, sorry, I gotta tell him, go be with your wife. Come on. It's a man's 16-year anniversary and he's here making discount codes. If that's not love, I don't know what is. You got to come join the Discord if you ain't in it. I just put the link right there and a fatty discount code on both 30-day and 90-day. Some of you were asking the other day about a discount code on 90 days, or that took the 40%. It was not good for 90 days. This one is. Back to Doge. Holy shit, 72.88. Sorry for the cussing. I know people have complained about that. We're just going to have to live with it today because this is exciting. 72 cents, pushing 73. Let's refib this guy here. Let's give it a taste. Let's give it a touch. Let's get tender with it. Let's make sure it makes sense. How does it feel on the skin? Does it feel nice? Is it palatable? Let's make sure. So remember, you want to draw from the highs to the lows, not the other way around. This is backwards. We're going to hit delete. It's gone. You'll never see it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Woo! Okay, we can do it. What was that recent high? 69 cents. Retracement to this low. We're going to 80 cents. We're going to 80 cents. Fibonacci doesn't lie. These things predict life. They predict life. We're going to go to 80 cents. I really think it's going to happen. Did I invest in Dogecoin? Is you crazy, man? Do I need to pull that screenshot up again? Come on now. We've been buying it since the 1.0002 cents or whatever it's called. Let's get that screenshot up again. Bam. That's split between me and Laser. That was like call it business investment. Me and him just threw a couple $100 in a small account to buy some crypto. We are up 28,000%. Get some of that. Come on now. Say it louder for the people in the back. So yes, we bought it. We bought it. We're going to hold it for right now. The guy who threw away a thumb drive. Oh, guy threw away a thumb drive with 7,500 Bitcoins. That sucks. Let's add that up. Let's do some math, okay? Let's do some math, all right? Let's do some math. What's Bitcoin at now? Let's just call it 55,000 to be fair. This man threw away 55,000 Bitcoins. Wait, what? No, it's at 55,000. How many bits? 7,500. I'm insane. I'm sorry about that. So let's see. This man threw away a thumb drive that had 7,500 Bitcoins. That adds up to a sum total of, count the zeros, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, $412 million in the trash. I don't know about you, but I would blow my brains out. But 74. Doge is 74. I'm not going to be an idiot. I'm going to sell a touch here. We're going to sell a little bit here. We're going to take a little bit. We're going to do a little profit shopping here. We're going to take a little bit. We're going to sell 2,000 here. We're going to say, it's look at that. Gone. I missed it. Shit. We're going to have to go to 0.70. That really sucks, man. That really sucks. Nope, 71. 72. Let's see if we can get 72. That'd be a nice little jostle there. I think we're going to get 72. We're going to get 72? We're going to get 72. Fill my order. Fill it! Yes. Sweet relief. Boom. That's good stuff. And it feels just as good on the skin. 73 cents. Damn it. Does anybody ever do that where you sell it and it's like, party's like, why did I sell it? Why did I do that? Why don't I just hold it? But then you also have the times where you're holding it, you're up, you don't sell it, and then it goes down, and now you're holding the bag. Been there. I've lived it. Let's look at VXRT. Hey, while we have some time, let's take a peek at it. A lot of you took this alert. It kind of went to shit. My average is only 7.99. I have a little bit of money left to add. This one is a called utility play. I will hold it long if I have to. I don't want to, but I will. I think we're going to get reversal here. We got some piss poor volume down here. But look at this last move to $12.75. Remember, this is the same one that we traded all the way up to $28 from $2 in some sense. Solid company, solid pipeline. Anything oral that goes COVID is going to be a treat. Let's go back to the Doge monkey now. Looking all right, but look, it's coming into extremely overbought here. Extremely overbought. Come on now. It's overbought. Don't buy it now. That's something that I would just say as a rule of thumb. If you're on the hourly chart, guys, if you're on the hourly chart and you see something with an RSI of 74 and you buy it, you're basically asking somebody to take your money. You're giving it away. You might as well burn it. At least if you burn it, you get to enjoy the burn. It's fun to burn stuff. That's what I would do, at least. Simply not consulting since 2 p.m. Amy, that's a good point. Mike, you won the weekly cash giveaway? My man. Smart man. Good stuff. Again, if you're not in Discord, make sure you come join us. We're posting these alerts daily, live. We're watching these plays. We're trading them. Stock alerts, crypto alerts, option alerts, and a whole lot of fun. We give away cash every week. We try to be cool, hang out, have fun, give some back. Discounts all the time. Advanced trading course is going to go over options so you can understand strangles, straddles, calendar spreads, learn how to trade options like a champion. And we're going to teach all of that and more. And if you join now, you get it for free. Starts in July. You got to stay in the group till July and follow it out through July. You gotta. And you get it for free, man. You get it for free. ATOS working on a COVID nasal spray. That sounds fantastic. Good thing I own some. We alerted that. I bought it down to like $1.80, $1.90. Jonathan John, you have weak hands, my friend. Do I need to revert back to our other position? Let me get updated screenshots on Sean's phone. Hold on. Oh, yeah. So we're now up 30,000%. Did you want to revise your statement? I don't just have one portfolio, Jonathan John. We got a long hold. I'm going to swing trade it. I'm going to scalp it. It's going to make me money. I don't just sit there and hold it like an idiot, man. I wouldn't do that. I have some that I'm going to hold, and I have the rest that I'm going to trade because I want it to make me money over and over. Understand, or one thing I would look up is the rule of compounding gains. It's a very interesting concept, and it works. Basically, $1,500, 3% a week. It's $1 million in 5 years. How? Because you're sizing up on every buy. You're sizing up on every win. 10% of your $100 is $10. Once you're at 1,000 and you make 10%, now 10% of $100, yeah, $10. Once you're at $1,000 in your account, right? That 10% is now $100. It's the value that you. So if you start with $100 and you compound those 10% gains and say you get to 1,000 in 2 months, now a 10% gain equals what your portfolio started at. Take a moment. Think about that. Let it settle. Mike, thanks. Yeah, John is salty. I don't understand that. Whatever, man. Bye. How much will 1,000 Dogecoin be if it hits $1? It'll be worth $1,000. Not overtaken says, I think stocks and crypto is the future for people who want to have assets, making them money overnight, not jobs anymore. You're absolutely right about that. My money, which I love like my children. I take my money and what I do is I cherish it and I hug it and I kiss it at night because I love it, because it helps me. It's a utility to me. It's not that buying things is the answer to life, because it's not. If you're not happy, buying shit ain't going to make you happy. But one thing about money is that you nurture it. You bring it in, you hold it close, you tuck it in at night, and then you send it out in the world and you let it grow. That's what investing is. That's what trading is. Now, I have a short-term portfolio that I trade with. I swing trade, day trade, scalp, blah, blah, blah. But I also have 3 different long-term accounts of companies that I just believe have a tremendous value and are going to continually grow and beat inflation of 2% or so, and they're going to beat the S&P at 12% a year. They're companies I believe in long term, so I put money in there too. I have a shit ton of crypto. I turned $5K into over $14K with crypto just from our alerts in the last, couple weeks. That's what I did. Started with $5,000. That account's already at like 14.5. 4K, I need to double to pay off some debt. Ethereum or Doge right now. First of all, man, trading to do something like that, AMFK, I would not do that, man. If you have to pay off some debt, I would just try to refinance or slowly pay it off. I wouldn't just dump it into the market at an all-time high and hope for the best, man. It's not going to work out. Hold and hope is not a strategy. It's not going to make you money. When people say diamond hands, what they're saying is diamond hands hold paper bags. You're broke. Don't do that. Don't do that. Wash, rinse, repeat. Make more money. Compound those gains. I've traded Doge probably 1,000 times. Why would I just sit there and hold it? Yes, we're holding a long-term account, right? But we started with like $100 and something bucks. We turned it into $30,000. We're at what? 37,000. So we took $150 and we turned it into $37,000. That's not typical. Results not typical. That's insane. But it shows you the magnitude of these cryptos. Number one, how many millionaires there are now as a result of crypto. Very interesting to me. There will be probably more new money millionaires than there ever has been before. So congratulations to those people. I will be one of them. Secondly, we're holding it long, man. We turned $150 into $150 into $37,000. We're up 30,000% right now. And it's really feeling like we should sell some more. But we've already sold some. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold it. If you're interested in these plays and you trade crypto and stocks and options and you like interactive play-by-plays, knowing what we're doing, giving entry, exit, sell targets, we give our analysis, we go over the charts, make sure to join us in Discord. That's where that shit is going on all day, every day. We have great staff, a bunch of great alerters. I'll put the link in there again. As always, Sean, being the generous, kind soul that he is, he made a couple discount codes. I'll copy and paste them again. If you want to join the premium, if you want to join free, come in, get some free shit, free alerts. Hell yes, join. If you join premium, what you get with it is the full trading education program, which is a step-by-step guide to teach you everything you need to know about how to trade. If you don't know how to trade, then why are you trading? If you don't know how to trade, why are you trading? I just wouldn't do it. If you don't know how to trade, you can invest. That's fine. But I'm sure some of you guys have been through this because I've been through it. My first couple trades, dude, I made good. Well, it's maybe my story's different. My first couple trades, I made really good money, but then I gave it right back, right? I just gave it right back. And then I started to get into more of the speculative long swings. I took that from 30 cents to damn near $7. And I turned a little bit of money into a lot. My Webull account started with 500. I took that to 38,000. And then I started adding money in because I wanted to size up. And now that I had been making some money, I was excited about it. But sorry, back to what I was saying. If you join us in Discord, I'm going to post the link right now, and then I'm going to post the discount codes. You get full access to that Trading University program for free. It's included in the membership. It's $500 in value you get for free. Literally, find me another course. This is comprehensive and has one-on-one help. You won't unless you're paying $1,000 a month, and that's ridiculous. The thing with stock trading is that, like, the rich people don't want you in the market. They don't want me in the market. They don't want people like us around. They just don't. Why? Because they have their little club where they all make their money, and then we stand on the outside and look at the glass, and we're like, oh, I want to be in there. They don't want us in there. So they keep this knowledge, and they hold it tight. Luckily for you, we've acquired it. So what we do is we share it. You get the alerts, we put our entries, we put our exits, and we put our analysis on every play. We're constantly updating, watching the plays, helping walk you through why we took the trade in most cases. But remember, the free... Just come. There's free alerts. There's free shit all the time. We literally give away money. Give away cash every week, a couple $100 every week. You could probably win your money back, let alone if you don't make it. And I'm really proud to say, guys, to all of you that have been here, we drop below 90%, but we've kept our win rate above 87.5% since we've started. That's astounding. So here's the link, and then here's the discount codes if you guys want to join. Just to take a little extra off, just to help you out. We also included a 90-day code. That's the best one. If you do that, you'll get the free access also to the advanced trading education. So if you want to learn how to trade options, you want to learn how to trade like straddles, calendar spreads, strangles, everything. Options is a great way to make money. Even if you don't want to trade options and you own stock, why aren't you selling covered calls against your shares? Which, if anyone doesn't know, the whole deal is that basically you own these shares, right? And you sell the option for someone else to buy these shares if it reaches a certain price. The goal is to sell it slightly above where you think it'll be by the time you think it'll get there, and you collect that money for free. I make probably around $800 to $1,000 in free money every month just from selling covered calls. So if you want to learn how to do that, we'll teach you how to do that. That's why we're here. That's why we're here, baby. We're here to take care of you. We're here to teach you something, help you learn. Alicia Smith asks, so crashing from not buying, not selling, don't understand it. Pablo Pozo, I posted the link right above. Amy said, yep, it's not a coincidence that the growth and momentum stocks are scraping bottom. Exactly when the new investor hitting the market has peaked. It's blood in the water. They don't want you to win. They don't care about you. The real money that controls the stock market wants you to buy the shit they're selling you. They don't want you to buy the shit they're buying. You're not allowed to have that. You're not. And to be honest, this is one of the reasons why I think that Doge is so cool. It's an of the people, for the people thing, but keep in mind, if anybody could send me the link that shows the holdings, I don't know why I'm doing this hand gesture, but I really enjoy it right now. But there's a link the other day someone sent me that showed like how much each wallet was holding of Doge. If someone could be so kind as to find that, that'd be super helpful. But until we have that, let me explain it to you. There are a few wallets that hold the vast majority of Doge. Who do you think those people are? I guarantee you one of them's Robinhood. Sanket said, I was in loss, not a little bit of profit. Should I sell now and wait for the dip? If you just bought Doge, I would not have done that. I would exit the position. Remember, in any trade, you're taking your risk, you're taking your reward, you're measuring it, you're seeing what you get. If the risk outweighs the reward, you don't take the trade. This is a bad trade. And in any trade you take, oh, thank you, somebody on Facebook, and cut the hold shit. Don't do that. Guys, everyone has their own risk tolerance. If you have a ton of profit on the table, take it. And then when it dumps, you buy it again and you make money again. It's basically like saying, someone says to you, hey, do you want to make $100? And I'm like, yeah, okay, cool. Then, like, I don't know, I'm trying to think of an example of how they could pay you, but it's like someone saying, you want to make $100 to do a simple task. You say yes, you do it, you get paid. And you're saying, you know what, I'm good. I'm just going to do it the one time. Why? What if they come back in 2 hours and they're like, hey, you want to do it again for $100? Yes. Wash, rinse, repeat. I buy Doge down here in the 50s. I sell it in the 60s. I buy Doge down. You could have done. Look how many times you could have done this. Okay. Say you buy on the break of 53. That's what I was watching. Boom. You trade it to 69. You make a killing. Comes back down 51. You buy again. Trades all the way up to 67. You make a killing. And then another bounce down to 52. And guess what? You trade it again all the way to 74. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. You wash, rinse, repeated your money. After this trade, you had more money for this trade. After this trade, you had even more money for this trade. Then you got these people that are like, just hold it, that bought it like here. And they've been holding it this whole time, and sometimes they're red, and sometimes they're green, and then they end up squeaking out a 10% profit on a $100 investment, right? Say you start with 100 here, okay? You buy, and you make, just hypothetically, say you make 20%. Boom, you made 20. Now you're trading with $120. So you buy again, and guess what? This time, say you make another 20%. Now you've got 24 roughly, I think, dollars, yeah. So now you've got like what, like $135? And then you take this trade again and say you make 20% again. Now your 20% is $26. Your 20% is $26. Your 10% was like $10 here. And now it's $26. And so now you're trading with damn near double what you got. Why wouldn't you do that? Why? I don't understand that. Why do you just want to hold? It doesn't make any sense. It just doesn't. It's not practical. Are you not a pragmatist? Do you not like getting ahead in life? Why do you hate your money? That's the question I ask people. I just go hold or the hodl thing. I can't stand that. I'm just be honest with you. I just think it's dumb. We're adults. Let's just spell it the way it's supposed to be spelled. But anyway, why would you just hold it? Why? Why do you want to do that? Like if you're worried about the tax implication, I can understand that. But this isn't an investment. This is something you trade. So trade it. Or come join us in Discord and learn how to do this. We teach it for free. Makes me crazy, man. Oh, don't hold, don't wash, rinse, repeat, guys. Boom. Make money from being active. You can have money that you just passively invest too, but trading is an active art. You're saying sell now? I took profit here. If I were you, I would too. I'm going to watch these support here. I think we're going to see a bounce to 65. Or it could hold. If it holds above 69, we're going to see another push. My final target was 80 cents. I think it's possible. It is possible to see 80 cents, guys. It is absolutely possible. But if you're in here and you're in the comments, please don't say hodl. Just spell it hold. Just please, for me. I'm holding based on tax laws and better understand your position. I understand. If you're worried about the tax implication, great. But understand this too. Say you're trying to mitigate like 10% in taxes, right? From like capital gains to long-term capital gains. But say Doge drops 25%. Was that a smart decision? No, didn't think so. It's not. You got to understand that your reward has to yield something far greater than your risk. You shouldn't be taking one-to-one risk-reward trades. Why would I risk $1 to make $1? That doesn't make any sense to me. I will risk $1 to make $3. That makes sense. Even 1 to 2, I'll take it. But most of the time, I'm risking $1. So all the trades that we're alerting in our Discord, guys, they're typically a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. So when we alert these plays, we're willing to risk $1 to make $3. That's a good deal. That's a great deal because we're winning over 85% of our trades. So if we take 10 of those trades, boom, done. The holders, no, guys, let's understand something. Jonathan Walsh says the holders help it to not fluctuate as much. In theory, yes. But the thing to understand is that the Doge that all of us own, so we're in this together. Probably anyone on the stream, we're in this together. We're the small guys, we're little fish. We're meaningless in the grand scheme of Doge, right? We are holding a very small amount of this stuff, guys. Such a small amount. Understand that the people that actually have the amount, if someone could drop the Discord link, that'd be super helpful. I know I got some members in here. That'd be cool, just so I can keep jostling. There's the link again, guys. The main, I'm going to scroll back up. Actually, someone posted that link. 1 second. Someone posted that link. Take a look. There we go. Thank you to whoever. Let's take a look at Doge, okay? Here's where it is right now. We are here, okay? Let's look at these, okay? Oh, wait. Is this not the wallets? Oh. Whoa. Someone just liquidated. Is that billion? Someone just sold 2 billion. Oh, at 52. What is this? I don't understand what this is. I really thought that this was oh, this was one of the big transactions. Thank you to whoever said this. This was a great trade on their part, honestly. So they just dumped 2 million Doge. These are the kind of accounts that are really making an impact here, guys. It's not you, it's not me. One of you here might have, Oh, here it is. I'm so sorry. Here we go, guys. Boom. So here are the major wallets. Let me see. There we go. Is this the richest addresses? This is cool. Thank you to whoever sent this. I really appreciate you. So we got one wallet here that's holding, what is that? 36 billion Doge. Okay. So let's look at this. I imagine that this right here, these 10 people they probably account for 50% or more of all Doge, right? I'm sorry, but you and me, guys, we're not making a dent. These people dump their Doge, that will make an impact. So when people tell you, hey, hold, man, diamond hands, you're not impacting the price at all. If literally all of us did something, then sure, I get it. But these are the people that are making an impact. These are the people that are moving the price. It's not you. It's not me. You need to get that idea out of your head because it's going to lose you money. I don't want you to lose money. I don't want you to lose money. Why do I love your money more than you do? You tell me. Huh? You do the math. I shouldn't love your money more than you do. But often, I'm forced to. Why? Because I care. Because I love you guys. I want you to make money. I don't want to see you lose money. I don't want to see this diamond hands bullshit cost you 50% of your portfolio because you wouldn't take profit. I don't want to see it cost you the idea of like, what if you're doubling your portfolio? You could be doubling your portfolio. What if you could? But you didn't take profit because you hold or hodl. So dumb. Why? Why do you want to lose money? It's just it's ignorant, and it's fine. I mean, everyone who says it is ignorant. Water Toxie says he don't love you. I don't know why he's talking about himself like that. I'm sure you do. Sorry, not top 10. Top 98. Okay, thank you. The top 98 wallets are 65% of Doge. That is intense. That is a lot. That is a lot of money. That's a lot of money. So they're controlling about 65% of Doge. 65%. And you really got to think about that. So basically, we're not controlling shit. Those people control 65% of Doge. That will move it. Will Ebon go back to 570? I don't know. We can look at Ebon's chart. Can you remind me in a minute, Isaac? And we'll pop Ebon's chart on here in just a minute. That's a crypto play. It's interesting. Sorry. I can pop you the link again. If you want to join the Discord, again, Sean made some discount codes, live alerts daily. We cover all these stocks. We alerted Doge at 0.002. We've been in early. I'm sure there's people who have been in earlier. If you have, congrats. You're the shit. You're smarter than me. But we got in and we took 30,000%, guys. 30,000%. We turned $150 into $37,000. You heard it here first. That's what we did. We've also been trading Doge nonstop. Guys, if you're in the Discord, I can't remember what our entries and exits were, but we've taken a good amount of money a bunch of times. MHS, is this a pump and dump? Kind of. I mean, it's being pumped. I think they're walking it up just to pull the rug. It's definitely possible. It's something to consider. I would definitely I would 100% take profit. If you're in this and you got any of a great entry, take profit. So for example, what did I do just before that? I sold about 73 cents, right? From this last entry. Yes, I'm still holding. Again, my partner and I, we have a portfolio that's $37,000 on it. Why? Because we put $150 in Doge, and I am going to hold that. We've already taken profit. I think we've already pulled $25,000 off that. At this point, it's who cares? I mean, we're up that much. I really don't care. But if you have a large chunk of your money in here, don't do that. Don't just hold. Take profit. If you love Doge, then support Doge's liquidity. How? By buying and exiting a bunch over and over. John Tag says several entries and exits, several rinse repeats, play almost all the dips. Over and over, we play Doge 1,000 times. Why? And remember that, once again, you're starting with a small amount of money. You make more money, now you can buy more. If you really care about it, then make your amount of money become a larger amount of money. Then you can buy more Doge. If you really love it and you want to support it, make this lesser amount of money turn into more money so you can have a larger position. But I would also mind risk management, and I would consider that. Don't put 100% of your money into one thing. Why would you do that? Why do you hate your money? Don't hate your money. I don't want you to hate your money. I love your money. I love my money. I want you to make more of it. That's how we stimulate. That's how if you want to talk about like stimulating the economy, handing it out is not the answer, but making more of it is. And not printing it, but I'm talking about generating revenue. Someone said, Foot Soldier said, Ravi Patel, that's the best way to put it. Hold it to cover your initial investment and get out. If you're holding from like a fraction of a cent, do that. If you bought in like on our swing position down near 57, don't do that. Because you're just handing this profit back, right? I already sold, I sold at 60, I sold our target, so I sold 61, 64. You scale out. You don't give it all at the same time. You scale out slowly. Take profit consistently over time. Already said I made 10K profit from Doge in a week. Now it's too late to get going. Bro, you made 10K from it. Good shit. Good job, dude. That's awesome. Now find other things that have value. Cardano right now, it's like trading at like $1.50, $1.55. That's a solid investment. It has a ton of practical application. The whole thing with that is that Ethereum, Cardano is the same people. One of them wanted to do for profit, the other one wanted to do non-profit. So they split up. Cardano is basically trying to build into infrastructure across the globe. It's genius. I love it. Blockchain technology is 100% the future. Get with it or get out. That's where the money is. Doge will hit $50 Canadian, maybe. That would be nuts. If it goes over $1, that's our test. Have a drink of this goodness. Have a drink, quick sip of this. Amy Johnson, Cardano's my biggest crypto position. Sounds like she knows what she's doing. Trying to make 1%. That's, you know what, already that's smart. If you're not in the Discord, join us, my friend. Alerts daily. But more importantly, make sure you're practicing risk management. And understand 1 to 2% a day is actually, that's like an astounding return. That's setting the bar pretty high. I mean, it's doable, definitely. But just like understand that like your typical return for a professional advisor is like what, 7 to 10% a year. That's what they consider a good return. So if you're averaging 15%, you're killing them. You're dusting them. They've been dusted. You made way more than them. So if you're gonna trade Doge, trade it the right way. Don't make me crazy. Don't make me lose my mind. Don't make me do that. Don't make me care about your money more than you do. So back to the chart. I really think we're going to see 80 cents. I think it's possible. This little pullback here is going to kind of give us the direction. We're going to trade the trend. We're going to trade with what the market has given us. If we try to force it, that's great, but it doesn't matter. Hold and hope is not a strategy. Diamond hands hold paper bags. Get in, get out. You buy it, you sell it. You get a bigger position, you sell it. You have more money. You get a bigger position, you sell it. More money. What's Soldier asked about holding token? I think SafeMoon is exceptionally interesting. I thought it was bullshit at first, but I'm starting to see that there may be something to it. They're trying to build out from what it looks like. And again, I'm not an expert on all the cryptos. It looks like they're trying to build out the infrastructure. They're getting like offices and all this stuff. It's nuts. Just watch the burn tokens on any of these. If they're, you just want to make sure that the people that, so here's what can happen with cryptos, right? So like say I make a crypto, okay? Charles Hosky's he's a genius. Say I invent a crypto, right? Say I invent it. And then all of a sudden, say I'm great with social media marketing and I have a great presence, and I sell my coin to all of you, and some of you make money, and it goes up 5,000%, and you're going crazy, and you're flipping out, and you're talking about buying a Lamborghini, and you're taking your shirt off, and you're punching your dad in the face, or whatever you're doing. You made a ton of money, right? Okay? I made this crypto, and you bought it, and you went up thousands of percent. You made tons of money. That's awesome, and you're freaking out, and you're talking about SafeMoon again. You know, it's wild. It's a party. It's great. And then guess what happens? Say I own 30% of that coin, right? And I just dump it. I pull the rug. It goes to nothing, and I made $1 million with no effort. You have to be careful, and you have to look at these coins, and you have to look at the wallets that are holding them, and you have to make sure that the coins that you're buying are not going to be pulled. You don't want to get into a rug pull. What I think of Chainlink, I don't know what Chainlink is. Again, I am not the crypto expert. I am not a blockchain expert. I am trying my best to learn as much as I can about it because I think it's exceptionally interesting, and more importantly, I like to trade and make some money, man. We made over. Let's pull that back up. Let's give that a look. See right here. Boom. This is our long-term Doge investment. So when people are like, "Oh, just hold," we did, man. We're up 30,000%. We turned $150 into $37,000. Yes, you saw it here. But we're holding this, but I'm trading it too. You don't just hold it. Is Doge promising? As to my knowledge right now, it has zero application. I don't know what it does that brings any value to society. From my knowledge, I might be wrong. I might be an idiot. If you're waiting for Saturday Night Live, that's a bad call. Because the run is right now. It's happening right now. Why would you wait until then? Why? Maybe run up tomorrow, possibly. But again, you trade the trend, you watch, and you take what the market is giving you. Right now, the market is saying, you know what? I don't like being up here. Right? That's what it's saying. So it's coming down. If it doesn't hold up here above 69, you want to make sure that it holds the... Hey, could you close my door? Poops opened it. Thank you. I love you. Bye. Okay. Love you. Bye. So, basically, what I'm saying here, guys, is that if it doesn't hold over 70 cents, it's probably going to come back down to the 50s. So why would you hold it? Why? If you, especially for those of you, I know I was seeing from a lot of you, like if you want to comment your positions, I'd love to see like what is your average right now. Leave a comment on here. I'd love to see what your average is, just so I can know, so I can hopefully like tell you like based on. I mean, all the celebs kind of vouch for it. I don't know about that, Magnus. Elon tweets about it because he's trolling everyone. He just wants to troll everyone. That's his goal. It's like he loves trolling people. He thinks it's hilarious. I think it's hilarious too. But that doesn't mean that he believes in the true value of it. He just always follows that irony is fate thing and all that other bullshit that like when fate meets irony, blah, 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 blah. That's what he always goes for. That's Elon's deal. And so he thinks this is hilarious. That something was an absolute joke is becoming something that people have to pay attention to. And they do. Because if Doge crosses $1, that's the trust threshold where we're going to see what it's really worth. We are going to see. We are going to see. Okay, Josh Kohler, what that means celebrities vouch for. Yeah, I think he's just saying that celebrities like to mention Doge, which, like, cool. That's great. But, like, does that give it any more value? Again, we have to consider that. Back to what I originally said when we came on here. Fundamentals equals investing. You invest based on fundamentals. You find companies that make sense, that are going to make money. Because if they're not profitable or they don't have the promise of extreme profit, why are you investing in it? Trading, totally different. I will happily, and I mean happily, buy an absolutely worthless coin or company and trade it and make money because it makes me money. It's a fad. Dogecoin, you're exactly right, Balboa, just hyping the fad. That's exactly what they're doing. Because if this makes me money, I'm in. I'm interested. I'm sold. I like it. But if it doesn't, I have no interest. It does not serve me. Be a pragmatist. Any of you ever seen that? What was that show with Kevin Spacey? Where he's in politics and he's like killing people and he's a sociopath. What was that show called? House of Cards. Watch House of Cards and you can see a true pragmatist in action. He only does things that benefit him. I'm not saying live your life that way, but I'm saying trade that way. Treat your money like you love it. Don't make me love your money more than you do. If Doge can't hold here, it's going to come down. We're likely going to see consolidation. Hopefully, this little trend line here in the 63 to 65 range. If it doesn't hold that 63 to 65 range, boo, back down to 60, and then boom. We're probably going to see a retest of 56, at which point I will probably buy some more. Why? Because I've taken my profit and I will add it the dips. You hold if you don't want to sell it all, I get it. Hold a core position and buy little bits and sell little bits. You trade the market. You trade what it's giving you. You don't control the market. Not you, not I. Don't have that much money yet. Can Doge ever be restructured into a practical crypto that isn't big sport? That's a great question. I don't know. Right now it has like no practical application. What is it going to do? If it's used as a currency, I get it. But what's its value? I thought with all of these, they have to have some sort of application. You know what I'm saying? It just doesn't make sense. And you know what'll be funny? I wonder. So this is interesting. Now that Elon has become basically the face of Dogecoin. Now Tesla, different story. Tesla is an amazing company. And what they're doing is groundbreaking. They're a software company. They're a power company. They're an AI company. They're a car company. They do a ton of shit. It's awesome. But what I wonder with Elon now that he's become kind of the face of Dogecoin, what happens if it tanks and people blame him? That kind of sucks. And remember too, people are self-serving. The reason that Mark Cuban's hyping it right now is because guess what it does? It drives traffic to the Dallas Mavericks website to buy shit. That's what he cares about. He doesn't care about you. And he'll tell you that to your face, I'd imagine. Seems like a pretty straightforward guy. When people hype Doge, it's because why do you think I'm talking about it? Number one, I'm trading it. Most importantly, I want you guys to come join us and trade with us. That's why I'm talking about it. That's why people talk about it. I think it's interesting. But the key part of that is that I'm tired of seeing so many people lose money trading shit like this, doing stupid things. It's so dumb. You don't have to do it. You trade it, you make a bunch of money, and you get out. You don't just hold and you spell hold wrong, and you say hodl, and you swing for the moon and all that stuff. Guys, it doesn't make you money. It doesn't make you money. Trade it. If you want to invest some, take a small portion like we did. We took $150, guys, and we turned it into $37,000 as of right now. That's the kind of money you throw in for a who's a what's it, a maybe. I'm going to put the link again right there for the Discord if you want to join us. It's completely free. There's free and premium. Join one, join both, join none. I don't care. I just hope you guys come check it out. I'm also going to put the discount codes that Laser generously made. They also apply to the 90-day. You get full trading education for free with premium membership. Teaches you everything you need to know about how to trade. Teaches you how to read a chart. Teaches you how to chart plays. It teaches you how to develop support. It teaches you everything. Trading psychology, one of the biggest parts. Trading is like 90% emotional discipline. I can read a chart like a champion, but there's times I still do stupid things because of my emotion, because I'm desperate and I want to make more money, or I'm desperate and I want to lose money, or I'm greedy and I want to make more money. I've done stuff like that, guys. I've done it. Magnus says, I think Doge will high fly tomorrow. I think Doge might pump a little more. I think it's going to come back down, partially consolidate. It's going to have a couple extreme dips, freak people out. I think it's going to pump a little tonight, and then I think it's going to come down quite a bit personally tomorrow. I think tomorrow we're more likely to see this like 47s range, and then I think it's going to have a big retrace, maybe back up to 55, and then the downtrend continues. So I really would consider that. Corey, I sent the discount code, buddy. I could put it again. I gotcha. We're gonna get you in there for a nice discount. Come on now. We're gonna get you fed. You gonna eat, my friend. I would wait for the dump if you're not in already. Nice. Somebody turned $100 into 23K. That a boy. Oh man, Mike said, imagine if you invested 10K and initially, what would be 37,000% times 10K? I don't even want to know. It's back to that whole thing about the Bitcoin pizza guy. That guy threw away like what, $400 million, and he bought like a $600 million pizza. That's ridiculous. But buy the rumor, sell the news. I mean, look at how many times new traders have been burnt waiting for some huge event and things just get sold off. If you think I'm ass backwards, then you must be brand new to trading. Welcome, my friend. Welcome to the game, because you're about to get burnt 90% of the time. You can call me a bear, you can call me whatever, dude. I'm neutral. I don't give it. If it makes me money, sign me up. I don't care. I don't have to love it. I don't have to like it. I don't have to be extremely emotionally involved. I just trade what the market is giving me. I don't pretend to think I control the market, because I don't. I am meaningless in the market. I couldn't be less important, right? But the market tells me what's going on, and I trade it. If you think Doge is going to continue to push, I hope you're right. I genuinely hope you're right. But I will tell you, all I have is past experience. I can look at what's happened so far. I can look at all the other times things have pumped. And guess what happened before a major event that every brand new newbie trader's talking about? I don't know, it's going to be crazy. Every time there's been an event like that, guess what happens? It pumps and then it dumps. And then you don't listen, and that's fine. I don't know why you hate your money. I don't want you to hate your money. You should love your money. I love my money. I treat my money like a child. I nurture it. I tenderly care for it. I send it out in the world so that it can go make me more money. If you're not making money while you're asleep, then you're just going to be, a slave to a job your whole life. I don't want that. I want my money to continue to grow. I want passive investment. I want passive money. You could say what you want, man. Like, be butthurt about it, whatever. Amy, great point. Even spectacular earnings are dumps in this market. Why? Because everyone's trading on speculation. Because everything's getting pumped. Because most things are overvalued. Most things are. Whatever. That doesn't mean we can't trade it the right way. Value is the time space continue in the future. If it becomes a viable currency, use it. Perhaps a challenge to greenback. Better story than one time. I would agree with that. Anthony, when to sell is the question. Guys, if you're looking for when to sell, come join us in Discord. Man, we post targets on every play. We've already posted our targets on this play, and I'll post them again for you, buddy. But I would sell here. I took profit at 73, and as of this moment, I was right. That's about the high. I tried to sell at 74, but I missed it. This was our swing position again. We're up 37,000% on our long-term hold, and I'm going to keep holding it. Why? Because it's free money at this point. If it comes down below major supports, then I'm going to exit. Like, if it can't hold this 51 cent range, I'm done. Why? Because we're going to see it back in the 30s, guys. we're going to see it back in the 30s. So why wouldn't you take this magnificent profit that you have on the table and then buy back in? Why do you have to just hold it forever? It's so dumb. It doesn't make sense, guys. It doesn't make sense. You buy it, you sell it, and then guess what? If you really love it as a trade, then you buy it again, guys. You buy it again, and guess what? If you lock in profit, until it's locked in, it's unrealized. It's not real. You have nothing extra. But until you lock that profit in, you don't have anything. It's not real. It's not real. If you guys can go ahead, do me a favor, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Once we get to 5, one thing we are doing that's cool if you like Doge, when we get to 5,000 subscribers, we're going to give away $500 in Doge. $500 in Doge. Basically, it's cheaper to offer cool incentives like that than it is to pay for advertising. So we just go that route. And I'd rather you guys follow it because you actually give a shit about it. We do live streams, we live trade, we do live alerts, we talk about crypto, we talk about stocks, we talk about options. Ethan Wilson, I sent the link in the discount. I'll send it again. It's pbalerts.com, and then the discount codes I'm typing again. It's either Doge 90 day or Doge 30 day. You could do a 90-day sub or a 30-day sub. 90 days is the best value because you get 90 days is the best value because we already discount it for being 90 days. No, the Discord link is, you go to the website, the Discord link's on there. You can find that, and you can sign up if you want to. What market you going to sell? I already sold some. Profit targets for Doge, I'll type those out too. They were 64, and then 70 or 69, and then 80 is like, in my opinion, top of the line. Cashman, good point. Hence the term unrealized gains. It's unrealized. It means nothing. And guess what? If I have an unrealized gain, I can't buy more with that money. That money's not accessible to me. The disc, Fuego. It's we trade everything, man. We trade stocks, crypto options. We trade everything from penny stocks to Amazon, dude. Everything. We do long holds. We do swings, day trades, scalps. I'm really excited. We just got Oasis. I'm really excited for him. He's a young kid, but he's brilliant. He's a great trader. He does mostly day trades, momentum swings, and momentum day trades. He's going to be trading more live, so you guys get to see that daily. Damn, my throat hurts. I just went on a rant. Holy shit. And there it goes. Doge isn't holding support. Again, remember, we're watching on the 1 hour because we actually care about time value in these charts. So here's something that you could do. It's very simple. You just go to a larger time value. I would say minimum 30 minutes. Look at that. Look at that selling. Now I wish we could see, where can we see volume? What website can we see volume, guys? Guys, I've already posted when we should sell. The sell was when I took it at 74 cents. 74 cents. So look, from 74 to 67, damn near 10%. 10%. I locked it in. Did you? Did you lock in that extra? Why don't you want that extra 10%? And an important thing to remember is that if you're in at like 2 cents, that's way more than 10% to you. Way more. That's a couple 100%. So if you got in at 2 cents, this is a great point to make, and I implore everyone to really listen here. This is very important. If you got in at 2 cents, right? Say there's a 10-cent swing, right? Something at 2 cents, if it goes to 10, that's what, a 500% increase? Yes, give or take. Is that a 500% increase? You just lost 500% not taking profit there. If you didn't sell at 74 and now it's at 68, well, sorry. So if you didn't sell at 74 and it goes down to 64, so that 10%, you lost to 10 cents. I'm an idiot. Yeah, so 74 to 64, that 10 cents was worth 500% to you if you got in at 2 cents. Take a second and think about that. The rule of compounding gains. Do I like long-term ETFs? Yes, we alert those as well in there. Magnus. There's a few mutual funds I like right now. I just posted my outline maybe 2 weeks ago. Qual is a great ETF, high dividend, cash yield. I love a good cash balance right now. I think value is where the money is at. Strong balance sheets because speculative stuff is getting beat down with the interest rates. 2 cents, probably. Coin market cap, we can look at volume. Let's take a peek. Dun 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 dun. Let's take a peek. So, also, I urge everyone that's looked at a crypto chart, go look at the chart. Tell me what you see. You see this huge mega boner candle, and then guess what? Beep, all the way down. Almost every crypto, you see it. Um, Still very bullish on the daily. Good buying here, but no, still bullish. Still bullish on the 30-minute too. But look at the selling starting to come in. It's going to try to hold here on this really steep trend line. Again, I'm looking for over 69 cents to continue. Basically, it's the biggest thing. It's the biggest thing to continue. Is you got to see it over 69 cents. Fuego, how did I ignore you? What was ignored? How may I help you? What was your question that was ignored? Because you just asked a question about the Discord, interestingly enough, that I answered. Magnus, I just started to invest in long-term ETFs, green energy, and tech. I like those. I like anything in energy and tech. I think it's a good play long term, but remember that all those sectors are pushed so high right now. They're so overextended. I think there might be more money to be made looking at value, which is like a strong balance sheet with a strong book. Good cash flow. Keep that in mind when you're looking at your ETFs and stuff like that. That's where I would go personally. That's where I would go. New in this channel, loving it. What time do you often stream? Sir Fuel, if you join us on Discord, there's always a stream going on. Like almost always. Not always, but pretty much daily. One of us is trading. Or just going over stuff in the market. James is doing options. Lee is doing swings. We're doing overall market analysis. Soon to have someone who's going to be streaming crypto consistently, hopefully. So there's streams in there all the time. Oh, that's my favorite. If he was so good at stocks, then he wouldn't have a Discord you could buy. That is the best thing I ever heard. So what you're saying is that I must be bad at trading, which is why so many people pay us to learn about our trades, right? Our retention rate is fantastic. Why does that make any sense? Why don't you like money? Why do you hate your money? The legend. Why do you hate it? So if you're good at something and people also want to pay you to help them learn it, why wouldn't you do both? I get paid to help people learn how to trade while I'm doing my trades. I'm already going to make money doing my trades. And now I can get paid to also help people learn how to do their trades. Why wouldn't you do that? That's the dumbest thing I've ever heard. That doesn't make any sense, dude. That's so dumb. That's alright. Don't jump on him. The legend. The legend. You the wannabe James Legends, man. You just want to be James Legends. You ain't gonna be James Legends, man. You can't. Yeah, that's another thing too, is like people just find it hard to accept that we actually give a shit about helping people. Disclaimer, the reason I like helping people is because it makes me feel good about myself. It's selfish. I'll admit that. I'll happily admit that. It's a selfish motivation. But it's the beauty of life. You find things that are mutually beneficial, right? If I help you and it helps you, and I help you and it feels good for me, why wouldn't I do that? Everybody wins. That's so dumb. Oh, he's saying you need the extra money? I guess. I mean, I don't know why so many people would pay to be here. Who is that? I'm up 80% overall on my portfolio from their alerts. Plus, they also teach you. Nice, man. They also teach you how to make informed decisions. I really like the way you put that. Informed decisions. Because at the end of the day, like, you have to know. You have to know what you're trading. Oh, if you were helping, you wouldn't be charging. First of all, we do a lot of free stuff, by the way. A ton. A lot of free stuff. So there is free stuff. Come get it for free. Happily join. But there's extra stuff that costs money. Damn right it does. Why? Because I have self-esteem and I value my time. I value my team's time. We have like 25 people that work there. I value their time. It's just dumb. It's a dumb comment. You wasted all of our time with it. So thank you for that. I kind of enjoy the ignorant comments. And I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be a dick to you. The truth is that you've probably lost money. You've probably lost a lot of money. Or you've been screwed over. And if you have, I'm sorry. There are so many shady people out there that genuinely don't know how to trade it, and they don't care. and they want you to lose money. They'll pump and dump and do all that stuff. I'm sorry if that happened to you, dude. That sucks, man. That really sucks. Because that does happen. I'm sorry if that happened to you. But there's no reason to project that nonsense over everyone else. It's just dumb. It's just dumb. Don't do that. Don't be that guy. But anyway, back to it. This is gonna be a critical point here, I really think. So we're gonna watch here at the 67 mark. As you can look, it's starting to blow off here and sell off, so it couldn't sustain this price, which is basically the market just saying, this is too much money for this stock, this option, this coin, right? So basically, the market's saying that it's overvalued right now. And again, we go with what the market gives us, and that's it. That's it. So, yep, she's selling off. I'm gonna lock a little more in, and then we're gonna take a little bit more risk off here, and if we need to, we just buy a little more. If we are wrong, 68.15, I'll just go at the bottom. It is what it is. So let's calculate that profit. That's 20%. Boom. Now we sold a bulk at you can't move, or that's so stupid that you can't move those orders. That's really annoying. Oh shit, we're gonna have to move this down a little bit. No, hurry. Ah! 67.85, 67.85. We're going to 67.75. And hopefully we get filled. Fill my order. Oh, come on, man. These execution times are terrible, man. This is absolutely ridiculous. We're just going to have to go super low. That's so annoying. This liquidity is not as good as I thought it would be. I'm just going to go 67.2. We're just going to get rid of it. Still took that. That's about, what, 17% on that lot right there. If this doesn't fill, I don't even know what to say. Oh, these execution times are terrible. Let's take a look here and let's just see. Gotta find points of confluence. Actually, I'm gonna cancel. We're just gonna wait. This is a critical moment. So the real hold needed to be right here, in my opinion. This is the main pivot point. We're just gonna see. A lot of times Doge will break. It'll break the trend line, and then it'll sell. It'll buy back up. This group about 6 months. I've learned that 10% profit makes a difference. A little profit keeps the 9 to 5 away. Citizen, you're absolutely right about that. You're absolutely right about that. Magnus, want to know about more ETFs long term? Dude, get in the Discord, man. The retirement section will be your friend. You'd love that. I posted the analysis on all those ETFs that I like and those mutual funds I like. We posted an in-depth analysis of like balance sheets, what we like about it, blah blah blah. I posted the link. I'll post the link again in a second. I'm just trying to get through these comments. Go with a market order. I don't even think it gives you that option on Webull, I thought. Unless I'm an idiot and I just didn't see it. Oh, there are market orders. Oh my god. Thank you for that. I'm an idiot. I don't know how I'm so dumb. Yeah, I'll post the link. It's not letting me. Here's the link, guys. It's pbalerts.com. You can just go there and you sign up through there, and then here's the discount codes. Oh, I haven't been putting any of this on Facebook. I'm so sorry, guys. I didn't mean to neglect you. I could still see your comments on YouTube. Sorry I didn't put the discount on there. My bad, guys. Tyler, thank you, man. I'm an idiot. I don't know how. I just never clicked it, to be honest. And at this point, I'm just going to dump it. It is what it is. So I'm going to hold this little bit. This is going to be my core position. I started out with about 50,000 or so. And we just took profit and took profit and took profit. And then we got the long-term hold, which is it's just going to go up and down a couple 1,000% here and there. But we're going to live with that. Now Slim Jim's even doing Doge nonsense. Dun, 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 dun. Let's get that money, man. We're gonna find the Discord link. Magnus, go to the website and that'll get you there, buddy. If you're trying to sign up and get into premium, get retirement alerts and the trading education and all that, you just go to the link. I'll send it to you again, and I'll send the discounts again. I'm not trying to spam the discount codes. I just want to make sure he gets it. I tagged you too. It's pbalerts.com, pbalerts.com. You just go there, and that's where you sign up. Again, everybody, if you could be so kind, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Once we get to 5,000 members, we're going to pick one of you and give away $500 in Doge. $500 in Doge are going to be given away for free. Rafael Castillo asks, what is going on? Why is it going down? Selling, man. I think it could hold up here. Doge has a tendency to make pretty severe movements. There's a lot of money to be made here, but this isn't the dip I'd like to buy. I would like to see something a little lower. But remember, this is the trend line that we were watching, and we're going to see if it holds up here, and it might. It just might. We have giveaways every week, brother, in the Discord. We're giving away cash every single week. So make sure you get in there and join. But again, please make sure you subscribe and like the channel. Surf Fuel, where's your live P&L? It's not on here right now. I'm watching these trades. We do post a spreadsheet, though, that shows all the alerts. You could track all the alerts and whatnot. So we post a spreadsheet that shows all the alerts, total gain, what kind of play it was, blah, blah, blah. Where actually I got something very, 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 very exciting, guys. Something that we're working on. I don't know if I'm supposed to say anything. Whatever, I'm just going to say it anyway. We're working on like a database system where you'll be able to actually search through the alerts, filter through them, and everything. It's badass. The coders have been hard at work on it. It's been awesome. Marlon asks, is Binance the only one where you actually own Doge? No, there are a few exchanges where you actually own it. Robinhood and Webull are not those. All right, so look, this is a good indication of a reversal if continues here. Again, we're only looking at 5 minutes. We don't have a very accurate view. The 15 minutes more accurate. And basically, oh wow, it's really pushing back up here. So basically, if this can hold here, if this is a nice little trend bounce, okay, let's just draw. We want to find points of confluence, okay, and you're going to draw true support off how far it was able to sell down. This is just for shits and gigs. This is more about momentum and understanding how the price action relates to the momentum. So if you look here, if we can get some bullish engulfing here, meaning that this green candle will come and push and hold and close up here, then we might see a nice bullish continuation. This is the trend line we were watching. Sold a little bit here because I'm just not willing to take the risk on the swing position. I'm already taking the risk on the long-term hold. Again, we turned like $150 into 37,000, so that's the one we're holding, but it's actually pushing quite a bit here. RSI stopped 55 on the 15-minute. That's this next couple minutes is going to really tell us. Because, so look at intense selling pressure like this. If it's bought back up immediately, then that tells you that the market's saying, whoa, that's too low, that's too far, that's too fast, and they buy it back up. But I love y'all. I'm going to go to dinner with my wife here in a minute, so I'm going to go get ready for that. My voice is gone as well. That was exciting. I actually had a lot of fun. What do I think about ADA and XPR? I love Cardano. That's my biggest crypto holding. I think it has a ton of real-world application, and I think it has a ton of value. I think those are both good good investments. And those are, and I mean it when I say those are investments for me at least. Cardano is an investment, not a trade. I mean, I'll trade a little bit too, but it's a long term hold. Marlon, I love you too, man. Thank you, baby. Again, I'll put the link to the Discord one more time. You could find it on our channel too. If you like, subscribe, follow the channel, you'll get that too. I'll put the discount codes one more time, both on Facebook. It is actually peanut. We actually alert the best peanut butter. So we find the best. That's why it's pbalerts.com. We find the best peanut butters that are in the metropolitan Detroit area, and then we alert them to you so that you know. And it's $1,000 a week for peanut butter alerts. The stock alerts, on the other hand, are very cheap, less than $2.50 a day with a discount. So take $10 and you make 20%, you made your money. But most of you are probably trading with $100, so all you really got to make is like what, 2% a day would be like $2. Covers it 2.5% if you're only trading with $100. You got 1,000, you only have to make 0.2% a day to cover your membership. It's almost like a no-brainer. All right, beautiful. I love y'all. Stay blessed. We're nationwide, baby. We're all across the Midwest. We're on the East Coast, the West Coast. Our members are everywhere. Actually, we're in like over 100 countries. Penny Boys is. It's a beautiful thing. Like all the serious traders. If you're a serious trader, then you're in our community. Ricky, I wish you weren't driving too, my friend. Make sure to hit us up later. Come join the community, buddy.